What's going on, guys? This is Jay Sill coming at you with the first official video on the channel. I'm not gonna do too much today. I'm just gonna keep it pretty short and sweet. I'm gonna go over the truck, tell you guys what I got going on with that, and then we'll get some cinematic shots at the end. So hope you enjoy, and let's get right to it. All right, so here we have my F-250. It is a 2015 6.7 King Ranch, and I'm gonna go over and show you guys what I got going on. So starting out, we've got a 3-inch cow hood. It's not a Cervini's, it's a Duraflex, I think, but it looks the same. Here we have painted badges on the side. King Ranch badge. Painted mirrors. We've got a set of Fury 405 30 26 on a set of KG1 forged 26x16s. Those are the Trident pattern. 2-inch spacers. For the lift, we have a powdered Super Lift 6-inch, powdered pearl white. We have a 4-piece North Georgia Lighting rock lights, pure white. 120 LED chips in each pot, I believe. We got clear heads up front. Painted front badge as well as on the tailgate. There's my socials. Painted tailgate badge and paint to match tailgate handle. But that's pretty much it for the outside, and let's jump on the inside real quick and I'll show you what we got going on in there. All right, guys, not much going on the interior. Just 4 total DS18 6.5 mids and some custom speaker pods. Got it off their website. On the steering wheel, we have got a sticker to match the paint of the truck rather than the blue they usually get on the steering wheel in the Fords. Stock radio, nothing too special. And then those other 2 mids on the other side. And pretty much just your stock King Ranch interior, the mocha brown with the orange stitching. And it does have a Starlight headliner up top. So I'll go ahead and turn that on for you guys. Guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. Hope you enjoyed. First video, didn't want to do too much. Just kind of keep it short and simple. Yeah, that's it for this first video. I'm gonna be posting more here soon. You just gotta give me some ideas on what to post, and I'll do it. So let's roll these cinematic shots. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.